Hey everybody, it's Darren here at AMBRO Manufacturing in Flemington, New Jersey, and I want to show you a job that we're doing for one of our high-end clients today, embossing on multiple color hoodie sweatshirts. So let's take a look. So here we go. There's an embossed design on this high-end black hoodie. I'm going to get in real close so you can see the dimensions of that. I'm going to show it to you on a few different colors we're doing for them. Here it is on the brown. This happens to be a 10-inch design width-wise. And here it is on the forest green. Let me get down a little bit closer. I want you to see the depth that we're looking at here, because a lot of the things that you see out in the marketplace don't have that level of true emboss. What they're really doing is kind of debossing around what they don't want, instead of it popping up like a true emboss like we're doing here. So if you're interested in doing a custom emboss with your logo or design, give us a call here at AMBRO Manufacturing in Flemington, New Jersey, and we're happy to help you out.